The 2013 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, running boards, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, aluminum wheels, anti-theft security system, keyless entry, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety rear door locks, fog lamps, side airbag system, power windows, rear window defroster, MP3 playback stereo, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.